What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I know I have not been uploading videos. I've been doing shorts, YouTube shorts, because one is I could easily post from Instagram into my YouTube. I just haven't had any content to make on this car. I just don't know what to make. You know, the last video you guys saw me make was wiring up the Ganondorf and, you know, just the new wheels, ride height, tires. But I do have things that I need to install in this car still, like the Hondata, the ECU and all that. The main thing I want to address is, since I drive this thing every day, it goes through all the traffic, rain, whatever type of weather you want, dust, or I don't know, why did I even say dust? But it goes through all that stuff, and it's just hard taking care of paint, especially on a daily car, especially since my paint is already bad. Now, it was way worse when I first got the car. I don't know if you can see in the videos, but I did give the whole car a whole polish. I clayed it, polished it, sealed it, and now I just waxed. And it's to the point where the paint's so bad that it keeps coming back and I can't really do anything about it. Me wanting to have a clean car all the time, it's really hard, especially since I daily drive this thing, and it's just, I just don't have time to like take care of the paint like 100% properly. This thing sees sunlight a lot more than my hatch back then. I drive this thing way more than my hatch. That's one thing why I love it. It's such a good car, but the paint sucks. Now, let me show you guys. Of course, this fender is off color because I buckled my OEM fenders. These are OEM fenders, but they are replaced. They are a lighter shade because, you know, in the factory, they can't paint a car the same shade thousands of times, and of course they don't run out of paint, so they need to make a new batch. So, but yeah, that's lighter. The bumper has a lot of rock chips. The front lip, seen better days. Oh, I got this new front splitter. This is from the UK. We'll talk more about this later. The grille is slightly lighter because this grille got painted with Chris's Mugen wing and side skirts, but his car is a lighter shade, so that's why it doesn't match my car 100%. This hood is, oh yeah, I got this carbon hood because my OEM hood, or the car came with the carbon hood that was messed up, didn't latch. Got another OEM hood that was messed up and faded. Got another OEM hood that was dented, which is over there still. Just threw a carbon fiber hood on it just to call it a day, make it easy. The roof was completely faded, peeled. I had to sand the roof just so I could wrap it black, but we are gonna be pulling this off, of course, because we're gonna do a full color change. I'll talk more of that in a bit. You can see that the paint's faded, and also like right here, it's hard to see on camera, but this whole section, since it's flat, sees the sun more, you know, or the sun hits it more. This is actually pretty faded. Same with this side. You guys can't see it. Oh yeah, I'm upgrading my camera. I miss shooting with the Sony A7, so we're gonna go back to that, and especially in this lighting, this garage lighting, this G7X can't handle it, so I definitely am gonna get a new camera, so don't trip. You can see, I need to get a new trim too. So this is all faded. This whole pillar is faded pretty much. This top of the door, you guys could kind of see it, but in the sun it's really bad. In the sun you can actually see how much more faded it is. Now, this paint has not been perfect since I got the car. I already know that, but I was planning on getting the car repainted, or now we're actually gonna wrap the car. Wrapping a car is a lot cheaper than paint. Also, you don't have to maintain as much as paint. Oh, you can see this line. This is where the paint was faded, and then I polished it out. That's why I could kind of see this clear coat. And then right here. But anyways, yeah, so we're gonna be wrapping the car. I am wrapping the car because one is, it's cheaper, 2, less maintenance, and 3, I want to learn how to wrap a car. Now, I've wrapped cars before. You guys seen, or all my OG subscribers know about the past 2 coupes I had. One had the multi-livery and one had the Jax livery. So we had the multi-livery first, and then also the hood, and the roof was faded, and also the trunk, so it was wrapped silver and 3M, but it matched super well to the OEM silver on my EK back then. I learned how to wrap because Yossi, when he helped me do the Jax livery and all that, he taught me how to like use a heat gun and use wraps. And this was back then, this is years ago, but now like wrap technology is way more advanced. We're gonna be wrapping this car one whole color. I think first, when I get the wrap, I'll show you guys. I'm still trying to work with this company, see if they can hook me up with some wrap, because wrap is not cheap, especially if you want good quality wrap. I've used Avery wrap before, I forgot, or Oracle. And then this right here is 3M 2080, which is, I think, one of the best wraps you can get now. But there's no way 3M's gonna sponsor me with a whole roll of wrap, because wrap is not cheap. That's one reason why, well, getting a car wrapped by a company is expensive, or shop, because you're paying for the labor. It's like $3,000-4,000 or even more. Because wrap material alone, I know 3M 2080 for a 60-foot roll, a 5-foot by 60-foot is almost like $1,000, depending on like what finish you get. But there are other alternatives, and I'll let you know once I get this company to work with me, hopefully. But we're gonna be wrapping this whole color. We're gonna be wrapping this whole car, so I don't have to worry too much about it. I'm still gonna maintain it, but I'm mainly just gonna be waxing it. Like my roof right now is wrapped, but I waxed it. So all the water just beads off, super easy to clean. That's one thing you should do. I know people also ceramic coat wraps. Leave comments down below, try to figure out what color I'm gonna wrap the car. I already figured out the color, but it can change depending on what comes in the comments. But right now I'm really settled on a specific color. I'll tell you guys right now, it's not gonna be like a bright color. It's still gonna be a very dark color, but you know, there's so many shades and colors. But for the most part, this car has been solid. This setup, I need to, so it doesn't rub. Only issue is rubbing on this corner, is rubbing my bumper tab. I still need to relocate this, but I think I should make a video. You guys want to see a video of me relocating this tab? Let me know for all you T6 owners. This car has been super good. Put hella miles on it, especially on these tires. Dude, these tires, they don't want to wear out, especially with the good alignment. That's the update video. Sorry, this is just a talking video, but I'm trying to get more content out. But like I said, I need to figure out what to do with this thing. But peace out, guys. All this other than just keep building.